She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Gone for a minute, but I'm back now. Hi guys, this is your girl, She's Real 85, and I'm coming to show you all what my locks look like. It's been 3 months and it's been a while since I've come and checked in. Apologize for my appearance. I'm usually always looking rough when I'm around y'all, but this is this is me 98% of the time. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what my locks look like before I get in the shower. So this is literally 3 months. And I'm gonna do a turn. You can see. They are forming, you guys. All I do is pretty much just try to separate them. Look, I got this alfalfa one going on right here. They're one and married, and they are married, and I have a lot of locks that are together. Like, this ain't going nowhere. And even my crown, this is all together, y'all. So I'm hoping when I get in the shower, it'll loosen it up and I can get some of it. And even if I can't, that's fine. But yeah, guys, these are my locks. Not doing much to it. I'm still not, I really spritz it. This is just water and coconut oil. And I don't even know if this is like the right stuff to use. This is what I have, so I use it sometimes I don't. Really, y'all, I just rock it in a scarf half the time. I just put on my scarf and I go, and I don't even know if y'all can see, like, my forehead is huge, but there's like 2 different colors. My son plays football, so I'm out there in the sun and I literally get a tan, and when I come home it's like 2-tone because I wrap it up all the time. Let's see if I get a little closer. They're very, very dry. Very, very frizzy. I usually wash my hair once a week. So that's the challenge right now. Just trying to separate and make sure I'm separating okay. And I know there are gonna be different sizes, but I just feel like I'm messing it up. Sometimes I feel like, okay, girl, maybe you're doing too much separating, or maybe not enough separating. Cause look at this. Another one, like it's a lot of them that are two-headed. So, but I'm in love. I love it, even my little alfalfa. But that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. And I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out my last video and don't forget to subscribe.